As a child, I was always fascinated by the puzzles that science presented. I would get lost in my own world in the woods for hours, playing in streams, gathering rocks, just fascinated by the wonders of nature. Today, I use science for environmental remediation projects, from involvement with local, small, single-site restorations to managing quality control for large, multi-acre manufacturing Superfund sites. Embracing the complex is what defines my career. I'm not afraid to be hours away from civilization with just my sample bottles in a truck. I'm willing to embrace new technologies and advocate for innovative, sustainable practices. I've learned to be open to everything, including advanced training and unique assignments. Success for me is defined by leaving a site better than I found it, knowing that this project-by-project puzzle solving ultimately will lead to a better world. My name is Emma Romai, and I'm a geologist at Burns & McDonnell.